Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In QuickBooks Lists, you can only delete list items if you have not used them in any transactions. If you try to delete a list item that has been used in a transaction, QuickBooks will warn you that the item cannot be deleted. If you don't want to use a list item but you can't delete it, you can make it inactive instead to hide its display by default within the list. To inactivate an item in any QuickBooks list, right-click the list item you want to make inactive within the desired list. From the pop-up menu that appears, select the Make List Item Inactive command to inactivate the selected type of list item and hide its display. To see inactive list items within a list, check the Include Inactive checkbox at the bottom of the list window. You will be able to use this method to view inactive list entries in any list except the Customers and Jobs, Vendors, and Employees lists. In these lists, you can view all items by using the View drop-down that appears within the tab and above the list to select the All Item Type command. After you do this, you will see a new column appear at the left side of the list showing inactive items, which appear with an X next to their names. You can click any of these X symbols to make that particular list item active again.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.